Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing recipe. Today's video we are doing Kenyan beef kebabs that are specialty of my country and are the perfect savory mid-morning or late evening snack. You can enjoy it with a drink of your choice or Kenyan tea, and they are very fulfilling. These kebabs are easy to prepare and taste amazing, especially when served with tomato chutney sauce to dip into, and some lemon and fresh homemade coleslaw. This is a recipe worth trying and I'm pretty sure you will like it. Let's just get into the video. In my large bowl, I will add my minced meat, that is grounded beef, followed by my spices. I will list all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box. Going in with some herbs, I have thyme, dry leaves, oregano, and rosemary, dry leaves. Then I here have cayenne pepper, black pepper, cumin powder and cumin seeds, and salt to season it, and paprika, vinegar and soy sauce, dark soy sauce. I'll set aside and go ahead and prep my green ingredients. I will roughly cut them. I'm going to finish the chopping in my hand chopper. It is onion, and I have ginger here, and 3 bulb garlic and some coriander. Then I will finely chop them using the manual blender all together. If you're clicking my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing and like this video and press the notification bell so that if I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. And for my new subscribers, feel welcome too, and returning subscribers, thank you so much, I'm grateful. My green ingredients are finely chopped. I'm going to add them direct into a bowl with a mixture of minced meat and the seasoning flavors. I forgot to chop my pili together with the green ingredients. I love pili, so I'm going to add it. If you don't like pili, skip that. I'm going to mix them using my hand. Breadcrumbs gradually. Mix until it's well combined. Breadcrumbs and eggs act as a binding agent and helps the meat and green ingredients to bind. I added 1 egg. I lost the footage somewhere. Once done, you'll take a handful of a mixture and shape it into a cylindrical kebab. I've applied some oil on my palm to avoid the meat sticking on my hands while molding. While molding, remember the meat is raw, so don't mold it into a very big size that will not enable the meat to cook inside. Just give it a good shape and a right size, just like this one. I will put it aside on a plate and continue with the rest until all the kebab are done. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step if you really want to know how to make these kebabs. These are the kebabs the restaurant style, and the secret of fluffiness is coming at the end of the video. Keep watching. Done molding, and my kebabs are looking lovely. It's very colorful, you can see. This is how it should look like. Next, I'm going to crack my egg in a wide bowl. I'm going to use 2 eggs for coating and some all-purpose flour in a flat plate. So I will season it with some salt. Beat the egg until it's well combined. In my stove over there, I have a saucepan and adding the oil. I will let it heat as I go on. Coating the kebabs. I will take the kebab one at a time and roll it in the flour. Dust out the excess flour and dip it in a beaten egg. Since the bowl of the beaten egg is kind of small, I will just repeat this process of rolling the kebab into the flour and shaking off the excess, and I'll put them aside until all the kebabs are rolled in the flour. Then I'll go ahead and dip them in the beaten egg as I fry them. Coat them with the egg wash. Make sure each and every kebab is well covered with the eggs. You can use a spoon, or I found this not doing a good job. It's taking time, so I'll just go ahead and use my hands. My hands are clean. I'll go ahead and deep fry them, and I will fry them on a medium heat, and the flame is also on medium to enable the meat to cook well inside. We'll continue with this process until all the kebabs are cooked. So as you can see, my oil is not very hot, and I'll keep on flipping them from time to time until it's golden brown, and at least by that time the kebabs will be halfway cooked. Flip them from time to time. This will go on for about 5 minutes. If you've watched the video up to this point and you find it worth trying, kindly give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't watched the video up to the end. Thank you. My kebab has been frying for almost 5 minutes, and now I will take them out and let them cool before coating them for the second time. You can see the kebabs are looking lovely, and the aroma here is heavenly. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's halfway cooked, so I'll repeat the same process, of which this also, once done, we'll remove it out, set aside to cool before the second coat. Coating the kebabs more than once makes the kebabs fluffy, and I love my kebabs fluffy, so I will do it for a second time, and you can do it as many times as you wish, or the third or even the fourth time. So my kebab has cooled. I will coat them in the same egg, the beaten egg. Then I'll dip them back to the oil, and I will fry them over the medium heat. Repeating the same process as the first one. And the flipping will continue to ensure the kebab is well cooked in the inside. Thank you guys for watching my video up to this end. It was nice having you around, and I hope to see you in my next video. The kebabs are looking lovely. It's well done. So well done. I will remove them and place them in a plate with a kitchen paper towel to drain the excess oil Look at it, it's very lovely. This is a recipe worth trying and I hope you try it out. The aroma here is lovely and it's best served along with some Kenyan tea and some coleslaw, of course, and some homemade tomato chutney to dip into and some lemon wedges. I hope at this point you've given me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Let's see how the inside looks. It's well cooked. You can see the meat is brown. That means the meat is well done. The kebabs are very delicious. Thank you for watching the video up to this end. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.